So let us discuss the last two questions of exercise 6.2, which are very important. They come in the exam in some other form also, but the result will be related to this. So let us start it. So the question number 15 says, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equals to 1 upon 3 DC, that is 1/3 of BC. So prove that 9AD square is equals to 7AB square. So initially what we have here, this is an equilateral triangle ABC. That means all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So here BD is the 1/3 of BC. BD is the 1/3 of BC. So D is the point on the side BC. BD, suppose D is here and we need to join this AD. Okay. So this BD is the 1/3 of BC. Yes, BD is the 1/3 of BC, and it's not given AD is not an altitude. So we have to make an altitude over here. Suppose this is AE perpendicular to BC. So this is given to prove 9AD square is equals to 7AB square. Okay. So here it is given this much. So in the solution we have to draw AE perpendicular to BC. Okay. Now we know that in an equilateral triangle, if we make an altitude, it divides the triangle into two congruent triangles. So this BE becomes equal to CE. We know that BE is equals to CE and BE is the half of BC. BE is the half of BC. Since the parts are equal, so each part will be half of the whole, that is here. So now if BD we have, DE we have, BE we have, so we can have the value of DE. So DE is what? This whole minus this one, BE minus BD. BE is what? 1 upon twice or half of BC, and BD is what? 1/3 of BC. So it is actually, after calculating, it becomes 1/6 of BC. That is, DE is the 1/6 of BC. Now let us start with the right angle triangle, since we are dealing with the topic Pythagoras theorem. So AEB what? We need AB square. We don't need AE square over here. Okay. And AD is in this part of triangle. So in triangle or in right triangle ABE, what we have? AB square is equals to AE square, that is perpendicular, and the base is BE square. BE square. Okay. So we have this BE. BE is what? Here we have got BE is the half of BC. BE is the half of BC. So this AE also can be changed in the form of BC. Why in the form of BC? Because all the sides are equal and we need AB finally in our result. So BC can be changed into AB. Now we have AD also. So from where AD will come? Yes, from here AD will come. AE is the perpendicular for the right triangle AED. So that we can change. We have in right triangle AED, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. So we can change AE square is equals to AD square minus DE square. This DE is also we have in the form of BC. So now it will become easier. So we have from here AB square is equals to now AE is AD square minus DE square and plus BE square. Okay. So this AD will be AD as it is. Now this DE. AD we will leave here and this minus DE. Minus DE is what? 1/6 of BC plus this whole square. Whole square, and this BE where it is here. That is half of BC. So half of BC whole square. So it is equal to AD square minus 1 upon 36 BC square plus 1 upon 4 BC square. Now this BC can be changed into AB, because AB we need here and BC is equals to AB since it is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so we can write AB square is equals to AD square minus 1 upon 36 plus 1 upon 4 BC, minus 1 upon 36 AB square plus 1 upon 4 AB square. Why? Since AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. It is given. So we need AB in the another side. So this AB can be shifted this side. AD we will bring out. We will keep in the right hand side and everything will shift into the left hand side. So it will be AB square. So this plus 1 upon 36 AB square. So minus 1 upon 4 AB square. So it is equal to, if I take AB square common, so inside 1 plus 1 upon 36 minus 1 upon 4. So here we will get 36 as a LCM. 36 as LCM. So here 36 plus 1 and minus 4 9s are 36. So 9. Here 36 minus 8. 36 1 minus 9 minus 8. 36 minus 8. 28 upon 36. So 7 4s are or 7 9s are. 4 7s are and 4 9s are. So finally we will get this 9 will go to this side, that is 9 AD square is equals to this 7 will remain with this AB square. Here I have not written AB square, it will be here. So 7 AB square. So this is our result. Okay. Little bit lengthy, little bit tricky, that where we have to put and where we have to put what things and we need to change what things, that we have to see with the question only. As I told you, everything in the question, what we know and what is given, from those two things we can have what we need. Okay. So the next question. And the last question. Question number 16. Question number 16. In an equilateral triangle, again equilateral triangle, prove that the 3 times of the square of the side is equal to the 4 times the square of one of its altitude. Easier. Similar things little bit will be using. ABC equilateral triangle. If I draw a perpendicular, that means altitude, so it will divide the sides into 2 equal halves. Since we can prove these two triangles as congruent triangles, so to prove, what is to prove here? 3 times the square of the sides. So can we take as AB square? Let us take AB, we can take BD, we can take AC. If we are taking BC, so the altitude will be here, BE or whatever. So 3AB square is equals to 4 times the square of its altitude. So suppose this we have to show. So this is to prove what is given AB, BC and AC. Solution. We have BD is equals to CD by CPCT. CPCT directly I am writing. you can write the statements that these two triangles are congruent, then BD becomes equal to CD by CP/CT rule. Okay. Then now we use, since it is an altitude, so in right triangle ABD, AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. BD is equals to CD, so BD will be half of BC. So this is AD square, BD will be half of BC whole square. So it will be what? AD square 1 upon 4 BC square. Now this BC, again what we have done in the last question, this BC can be written in the form of AB because both the sides are equal, all the three sides are equal. We need AB here, okay, so BC can be written as in the form of AB. AB square is equals to AD square plus 1 upon 4 AB square. Since AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. So this AB will come in the left hand side, minus 1 upon 4 AB square is equals to AD square. So this becomes 4 AB square minus AB square is equals to 4 AD square. This 4 will go to the right hand side, 4 minus 1, 3 AB square, 3 AB square is equals to 4 times of the square of the altitude of an equilateral triangle. So this is true for any equilateral triangle. Okay. So I hope you have understood the chapter and the questions given in the exercise. Thank you so much.